In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Verizon Mobile Protect bill online. If you need to make a payment quickly and securely, Verizon gives you a few simple online options. The good news is that the process is straightforward and you can choose the method that works best for you depending on whether you want the fastest option, the most account details, or a quick guest checkout without signing in. First, head to Verizon's billing and payments support page. This is a helpful starting point because it points you toward the available online payment methods and helps you find the option that matches your situation. If you want the easiest overall method on your phone, Verizon recommends using the My Verizon app. In the My Verizon app, open the app on your smartphone and go to the Bill tab. From there, tap Pay Bill. This option is especially convenient if you already have a payment method saved, such as a credit card, debit card, or checking account. It's typically the fastest choice for people who already manage their Verizon account from their mobile device. Before submitting the payment, take a moment to review the amount and payment method so you can avoid mistakes. If you prefer using a computer or want to see more billing details, use the online account option in a web browser. Go to the Verizon sign-in page and log in with your user ID or mobile number and your password. Once you're in your account, click Pay Bill. From there, you can make a one-time payment, which is useful if you just want to pay the current balance right away. You may also see the option to set up auto pay. That can save time in the future by automatically deducting your monthly payment, which is helpful if you don't want to remember the due date each month. There's also a third option if you want to pay without logging in at all. For that, visit Verizon Express Pay, enter your 10-digit mobile number, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment as a guest. This is a great option if you need to make a quick payment and don't want to access your full account. No matter which method you choose, make sure you're on an official Verizon page before entering any billing information. It's also a good idea to keep a confirmation page, screenshot, or email receipt after the payment goes through, just in case you need proof of payment later. And that's how to pay your Verizon Mobile Protect bill online.